In this video, you'll learn how to manage the inventory in your Shopify store in just a few minutes, so you can keep track of your products and avoid running out of stock. First, sign in to your Shopify admin at shopify.com. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on Products, then Inventory. This is your central hub for managing all stock levels in your store. Next, you'll see a list of all your products and their current quantities. Use the search bar at the top to find specific items or filter by collection, vendor, or stock status to organize your inventory efficiently. Now, to update stock manually, click on any product to open its details. Then, adjust the quantity directly in the inventory section. You can also add reasons for stock changes, like restocks, damages, or corrections. After that, enable inventory tracking for each product. Open the product page, scroll to inventory, and check the Track Quantity option. This lets Shopify automatically update your stock as orders come in and out. Once tracking is enabled, set up low stock alerts. Go to Settings, then Notifications to receive emails when your inventory drops below a certain threshold, helping you reorder products before you run out completely. And that's it. Your Shopify inventory is now fully managed and your store is ready for smooth, organized growth.